So it's time to talk about market structure and market structure shifts. Market structure is fundamental in your technical analysis to understand in what direction the market is going. And of course, knowing in what direction the market is going is crucial to predict a trade. If you know in what direction the market is going, it gets very easy to predict trades, right? So to know in what direction market is going, you need to understand market structure and you need to understand market structure shift. And I will now show you and explain what it is. So market structure, first and foremost, what is that? It's the swing waves that the market is doing throughout the market time. So it starts, let's say in this case, for example, with a low, high, a higher low, a higher high. So it means that the swing points in this case are higher. So every high is getting higher than the previous high. Every low is higher than the previous low. Higher low, higher high. And here something happens. Market dips down and breaks these lows here. So these higher lows gets taken with a lower low. So this is a lower low. When that happens, we have a market structure shift. A market structure shift has occurred, or also called a change in character. The character of the market has now shifted to bearish, from bullish to bearish. So now we have lower lows, lower highs created, all right? So if we look at this simulated candlestick chart here, then you'll see a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, and market does some internal structure. Why is it called internal structure? Because it's in between the lower high and the lower low, okay? So it didn't break out any of these. So it's an internal structure, and that market does what? It breaks out and creates a high that is higher than the previous lower high, all right? Therefore, what do we have? A market structure shift, a change in character. Market has changed character now to bullish, from bearish to bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high, and then whoop, market dips again, changes character, takes out this low here, market structure shift. We are now bearish again with lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, and so forth. Let's look at this on a real example on the real chart. So we are now looking at the US 30 chart on the 3-minute time frame. So it means that every candle here represents 3 minutes. And let's mark out some market structure here. We start from here. We have a high, low, we have a high, we have a low, we have another high, we have another lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and so we go back and forth, back and forth. We have here another high, a lower low, and then what happens? Market has a change in character, or a market structure shift. Same thing, different names. Why is that? It's because this high here gets taken from this low with this push, and the structure has shifted. Market structure shift. So now we have a higher high. Lower highs, and now a higher high from this low. And it creates a higher low, higher high. So now we have a upwards shifting market. Boom, market is bullish. Now let's see if we continue this replay, what happens. All right, so as you can see here, this high does not get taken, but this low here gets taken. We have breached this low. We have therefore created a lower low. And now this is the lower high, because this high created this lower low. What happens here? Changing character again, and this is how it goes sometimes. Market can shift back and forth sometimes. Changing character. Now this low has created a higher high. And therefore, this is a new higher high now. We're back in an uptrend. Let's see how this continues. A low, a higher low this time, and now we're creating a higher high. There it is. Oh, and what happened here? This low gets taken. Here, market structure shift again. Market went from bullish, broke this low, and therefore shifted downwards. So we have now a lower low, lower than this one. And therefore we are now bearish in this market. I'm going to leave it like that. That's an example that I think should explain it quite well. If you want to dive deeper into this, understand this better, then I suggest that you watch the advanced market structure video.